machines can create new jobs and industries, and can contribute to local economic development. Remote communities. Wave energy machines can provide a sustainable and cost-effective source of energy for remote communities that are not connected to the grid. Despite the potential benefits of wave energy machines, this technology also presents several challenges and considerations. Some of these challenges include cost. The cost of manufacturing and deploying wave energy machines can be high, which can limit the accessibility of this technology to certain regions and communities. Technical challenges. The harsh marine environment can present technical challenges such as corrosion, fouling, and damage from waves and currents, which can affect the performance and durability of wave energy machines. Environmental impact. The manufacturing, deployment, and operation of wave energy machines can have an impact on local ecosystems and wildlife, and it is important to ensure that these impacts are minimized and mitigated. Social and cultural considerations. The development and deployment of wave energy machines can have social and cultural impacts on local communities, and it is important to engage with stakeholders and involve them in decision-making processes. To address these challenges and considerations, it is important to invest in research and development, and to promote collaboration and interdisciplinary approaches. This can involve developing new materials and coatings that are resistant to corrosion and fouling, and designing wave energy machines in a way that minimizes their impact on local ecosystems and wildlife. Moreover, it is important to engage with stakeholders and involve them in decision-making processes related to the development and deployment of wave energy machines. This can involve developing policies and regulations that ensure responsible and sustainable practices, and that promote equitable access and distribution of benefits and risks associated with this. Technology. Wave energy machines have the potential to revolutionize various industries and sectors by providing a sustainable and reliable source of energy. Here are some examples of the potential impact of this technology on various industries. Energy. Wave energy machines can have a significant impact on the energy sector by providing a clean and sustainable source of energy. This can help reduce greenhouse gas emissions and mitigate the impacts of climate change, as well as contribute to energy security and independence. Marine. The development and deployment of wave energy machines can also have a significant impact on the marine industry. This can involve the creation of new jobs and industries related to the manufacturing, deployment, and maintenance of these machines, as well as the development of new technologies and materials that are specific to the marine environment. Agriculture. Wave energy machines can also have a significant impact on the agriculture industry. By providing a sustainable source of energy, wave energy machines can help reduce the reliance on fossil fuels and contribute to sustainable farming practices, such as aquaculture and seaweed farming. Remote communities. Wave energy machines can also have a significant impact on remote communities that are not connected to the grid. By providing a cost-effective and sustainable source of energy, wave energy machines can help improve the quality of life and economic development of these communities. Transportation. Wave energy machines can also have a significant impact on the transportation industry. By providing a sustainable source of energy, wave energy machines can contribute to the development of new transportation technologies, such as electric boats and ships, that are more